Hi guys and girls, I'm putting a buy limit on gold as per this strategy that I am trading on gold, and I will be also explaining in depth how I am trading gold in this 30 minutes time frame for taking a trade that has 2 to 1 reward to risk. Now before I progress further, make sure guys and girls you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for more content like that. So first of all, let's quickly begin with the higher time frame, looking at bigger picture, starting with the highest time frame, monthly chart. Why? Because monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you a clear direction, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, if we look at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that from the monthly perspective, this current monthly candle has liquidity from the top. We have seen that there was a huge liquidity grab from this level with the NFP. The price has grabbed that liquidity and then has dropped down with a very strong momentum. And with the drop, what we have seen that the price has broken this series of higher low, and then the price has broken again. We have seen that there is a strong pullback to the upside on gold. Now with that pullback, currently the market again bouncing back to the monthly resistance level. Now this level that I have drawn at 2038.64 is quite significant, as this level is where there is a high liquidity. Monthly opening, closing, opening, quite a few monthly candle has closed in that zone, which is a very important level to look at for further opportunity. At the moment we could see that the market ultimately going back up to retest this level. Now from the weekly chart, if we're dropping down a little bit, we can see a bit more clearer picture on gold. We can see that from the weekly time frame, previous week there is a long week candle here, and with that long week candle, there is a half body long week from the weekly, which is a kind of rejection from the support level. Now as a result, this week, this current candle, we have seen that once the market open, tested almost a 50% of this previous weekly long week candle, and we have seen that after grabbing enough liquidity, it has got a bounce to the upside, which is a sign that this week gold remaining bullish. And as a result, we have seen that quite a few days in the first couple of days of the week, gold is bullish. Now if you look at this long week candle from the weekly, we can see that the market so far bullish, and it's coming down again for a deeper pullback. So any drop from this weekly candle will make a long wick at the top, which ultimately we could see again the market is going up to fill that long wick, as we are expecting gold to move to that level, which is the monthly resistance level. So weekly, monthly, we see that gold is showing bullish pattern. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see a bit more clearer picture here. Now back to back, we see that this is the fifth day gold is bullish. Now for the first time, the market has broken this resistance level where there was a huge rejection from the daily. And with that daily candle, what we see that gold currently approaching this daily support level. This is the daily support where daily opening and closing. So far the market on the daily has formed a long wick also, and as the market is approaching this daily low, what I think that the market will try to break that daily support, and expecting a rejection again during the day, during the last time period of this time, to for the price to fill that long week of the daily. So this is where our interest is for going long on gold. So we see that monthly showing potential bullish, weekly promisingly bullish, and also daily we see that the market is coming down for a pullback. So our bias from the multi-time frame perspective on gold is bullish. So now let's down to the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving. Now if you look at this monthly chart, what do you see that from pardon me from the 1 hour chart, we can see that there is a bullish movement. This is the 1 hour clean bullish move from this 20 EMA zone, and we can see that in that level, back to back two bullish signal according to the rules of our TF strategies. Now, as it is a very important zone, which is also a smart money zone. If you look at here, this is the daily support, and from the 1 hour we can see that there is a wickless candle in that zone. And if you closely look at what do we see, that in that zone there is a doji and also daily support where we are placing our buy limit. And what I think that gold might, if the price manage to drop back to that support level from that zone, we'll be expecting gold to have a bounce to the upside. At this point my stop loss is a couple of pips below this low, as this is a very significant support level, expecting gold either to retest the low of this green candle or to bounce back from this daily support to the upside. So if the price moves at least 10 to 20 pip above from this level, I will be moving my stop loss entry and I will be closing some profit. Let's see how the trade is working out, guys and girls. If you are enjoying this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. This is the strategy that I'm trading. Let's see how the trade worked out. I'll keep you updated. Make sure you guys and girls give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification for the next update on this analysis and in this trade. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.